Hi everyone, welcome to HauteMamas. Today we have Yay! So we're going to try the Just Peachy Mattes palette by Too Faced, as recommended by Nathalie the Beauty Diva, who we love. So we're going to try this and see how it goes.
Should we go for the sad tales of woe we've got going on today? Yeah.
I need to explain something.
A couple of tales of woe, just a couple.
I need to explain one thing. See this here? This bad boy? I just had cool sculpting yesterday done on this part of my face. I've always been self-conscious about it since it showed up about 2 years ago or so. And so I wanted to get it treated. So I tried Belkira, which in the States is known as Kybella, and it really didn't work well for me at all. So now I am...
Well, Kybella, just to be what happens with Belkira and Kybella is that they inject something to make the fat dissolve. Basically, it dissolves, which, if you have a pocket of fat under there, would seem to be a good idea. The only thing that would make me nervous about doing something like that is that if you dissolve the fat and then are just left with the skin.
Exactly.
And so skin's a different problem than fats. Because if your skin doesn't, like, bounce back as we age, it's less likely to do so. Then you could have, like skin instead of fat. So,
well, and the idea behind the Belkira is that as the fat cells go through a process called apoptosis, they rupture and then they stick down. So the idea is that the ruptured fat cells, as they heal, pull the skin in, just as yeah. But having said that, that didn't happen, and so now I'm trying cool sculpting. Same idea behind cool sculpting, dissolving fat cells. Then the fat cells or the fat's going to get reabsorbed by my body, and as the process does that, there's going to be scarring, and the skin should stick up to where the fat cells are being dissolved. So anyway, that's why this is here.
My sad tale of woe is not nearly as dramatic. I decided I was going to try our BoxyCharm Lippy, which is this one. I can't remember the name of it.
Something. You can read it.
You can read it there. With this lip liner from NYX. It's terrible. Look.
Patchy, patchy, patchy.
Look at that.
How many coats is that, Lisa?
This is like 3 coats.
Yeah.
So, these are a fail. Like, the lipstick is going bye-bye, and so is this.
And for my lipstick today, I've got Bella Pierre on, which also came in a box, and I like.
Yes, it's much better than what's happening here.
Yeah.
But the thing is I don't want to really take this off now. Maybe I'll put some gloss on.
Yeah.
See if I can salvage it.
See if you can kind of...
I'll do that right
spread that around. So for my plan, here's the color choices. And I think because of like where my top is and everything else, I'd like to use that color for sure. This this Peach Samba.
Oh, I could try this.
So I think I want to use Peach Samba. I don't know. I think I might use Peach Tea in the transition, Peach Samba in the outer V, this one in my crease, which is called Peach Tart, and then as a highlighting color, Peach Meringue. There, I've committed. So Peach Meringue, Peach Tea in transition, outer V, crease color right there. That's what I'm doing.
Okay, I have no plan yet. But what I am going to do is I'm going to put this over top of this lipstick and see if I can...
See if we can fix it.
And if I can't, then after all this is said and done, I will take it off. It'll just come right off. Let's see.
Oh, and also next time I go to get cool sculpting done, I'll bring you guys with me.
Oh my god, it's so bad.
It's horrible.
It's just so bad.
It actually feels like your skin on your lips is gonna like
peel
remove
off.
itself. Yeah.
It's really not okay.
It's not great.
No.
Not gonna lie.
Do not recommend. Lip gloss. Well, it's kind of fixed the lipstick, but not the lip liner.
Yeah. That's okay. It's better. Much better.
It's better.
Yeah. By a long shot.
It's not tragic anymore. Okay. So I will use, this is my transition, this on my lid, this on my outer V, and one of these on my brow bone and inner corner.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Okay, action.
Action. I'm also going to try from the BoxyCharm these brushes that we got.
Oh, yay, good for you. I didn't get my BoxyCharm yet, but that's because it's probably lost in transit because I moved. So there's that.
Oopsies.
There's not enough chaos going on. No.
Okay, so I'm going to put the transition color on my hood.
I'm starting with the peach meringue everywhere.
Yeah, actually, I'm going to do that too. Take a big fluffy brush.
Yeah.
And peach meringue or peach. I'm using the peach.
I'm using peach meringue butter.
Just to lay down a base.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to go in with peach tea in my transition area.
Darn
Nathalie,
it.
Nathalie.
Darn it! Oh my god!
I blame Nathalie.
I might need this in my life.
It is gorgeous. It is really, really gorgeous. I see why she uses this every day.
Chloe Morello palette just to be different.
Yeah.
But holy cow, do I love this.
Yeah.
Already, I've only put on one color.
one colors.
Just one colors. It's already.
Yeah.
You know what? I had this in my cart. But you know what I might do?
Go back and get it.
No, I might wait for the spring.
Oh, yeah.
VIB sale. Because this could transfer really well into spring, summer, right?
Sure it could.
And I feel like I should go on some kind of hiatus again.
I feel like that's not a bad plan.
A little bit this in my...
Okay, so I'm going into my crease with peach cobbler.
Christmas is coming, and I realize Black Friday is also coming, but I think I'm gonna slow my roll on that whole thing.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's, you know what, at this point I feel like it's just a marketing thing.
Well, and then you're just buying for the sake of buying.
Exactly.
You know, unless you really had your eye on something or really would like it and, you know.
Exactly.
It's on sale now, then it's good, but just to make up stuff because you just want it.
Yeah, I know.
You know, I mean, we just got palettes in our BoxyCharm. I just got the Chloe Morello palette. I don't need to run out and buy this palette right away.
Yeah.
Although it is.
Oh, well, this is the whole point.
Quickly becoming a favorite.
Yeah. So I'm just going in with peach tea under my eyes.
I'm going to take the paddle brush. I'm going to go with Peach Punch on my lid, just to be bold and daring. Maybe I'll do Peach, so Peach Punch on my lid. Maybe I'll do this in my outer V.
I'm going with peach sangria on my outer V.
Okay, then I'll stick with this one, which is just right.
So, I'm off into my outer V with this peach sangria.
Nobody's out through the door.
Did it ring again?
Yeah.
Guys, I love this palette.
So unfortunate. Okay, now I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush. I'm going to go into the just right color and do my outer V.
So, I'm going to pull that sangria color up into the sort of the crease area, just a little bit. Got it.
I'm going to pull that just right into my crease as well. And I might actually go even a step darker with my outer V. You know, I mean, the thing is with this color palette is that it's not for everybody.
I have peach sangria now under my eyes as well.
I'm gonna deepen up my outer V a little bit with this peach tart.
And I'm just going to blend for now. We're blending, we're blending, we're blending, blending, blending.
So much blending. I'm going to take a pencil brush. And just...
Okay, I like this. Actually, I think I'm going to go in with one slightly darker color. I'm going to go in with Peach Tart, this warm brown down here. And that's just going to go into the outer V again.
Fun. Who says mattes aren't fun? They're fun.
They're fun.
Okay, now I'm going to just do my brow bone in the peach meringue. Wow. Yeah, I haven't done my lower lash line yet. I'm going to do my lower lash line in this peach tart color.
And on my lid, I haven't even got anything on my lid yet. On my lid, I'm going to go light. So I'm going to go with this Peaches and Cream, this one in the corner. Well, now I see why everyone loves this palette.
Yeah, me too. And I think I might like the colors better and everything better than the because I had my eye on the original Sweet Peach palette.
Yeah, that one never grabbed me. This one grabs me. Holds on and doesn't let go.
Okay.
Okay, I am done.
Me too. So we'll just get mascara and eyeliner on. Just going to do some tight lining and bright inner rim color and mascara. We'll be back.
Okay, we're back with our mascara on. Eye pencil, I used Marc Jacobs, this one that I don't know where I got this. I got kind of, anyway, I don't know.
But it's
I don't know where it arrived from, but it's very good. And I'm just trying to see if there's a color on here.
Yeah, isn't it like, it's Marc Jacobs.
Rococo-y. And then I used these two, my usual standard opening act primer and Lights Camera Lashes for mascara. That was me.
I used my MAC black eyeliner for my tight line, and a Sephora nude color for the inner rim, and then the L'Oreal Voluminous.
That's
primer.
your standard go-to, isn't it?
Well,
right
only
now.
because it's here.
Oh, right,
I have
okay.
two other ones at home.
Right, okay, right, fair enough.
So I use those two, but I like it. And then the Marc Jacobs mascara, which I really like as well. And that's what I used. But, by the way, this palette.
Rave reviews.
So good.
Yeah.
I mean, it blends like a dream.
Look at the blue eyes.
I know.
I know.
Nathalie was right.
Natalie's right.
So right. For people of our complexion, I guess, but it doesn't work for everybody. But like the shadows themselves are beautiful, blend beautifully. Like
win.
So much
winning everywhere.
Yeah.
Thanks very much for joining us on HauteMamas Live. We're available on Twitter and Instagram at HauteMamas Live. We have a website called HauteMamas.com. We also have a Facebook page called HauteMamas Live. Thanks very much for watching. You can subscribe by pushing the button above Lisa's head. Ring the bell if you'd like an email when we have a new episode out. Subscribing's free, by the way. You don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, thanks for joining us. Bye.